Hi everyone, my name's DJBigDerek, and today I'd like to talk to you about my sneaker pickups from summer 2019. I had some wins, I took some L's, but overall I'm very happy with the 3 little ditties I picked up. So first up, we have a limited edition Air Force One that I picked up in May. Now, as you know, the Air Force One was invented for staff and passengers on board the President's plane Air Force One, just to make all those long flights that little bit more comfortable. Now this is a reissue of the Ivory Snake, which was originally released in 1996 in the Asian market, and for that reason I took a picture of it with some bamboo, which I'll put here if I work out how to do it. Yeah, I've seen other people on YouTube do that sort of thing. Now, no real snakes were harmed in the making of this shoe, I hope. Now, Nike also threw in this lovely pair of socks, and you see at the top the snake pattern to match the pattern of the tick on the shoe. Ivory snake pattern, I assume. Now, that was so nice of them, and I love them. Overall, I'd say it's a really nice variation on your white on white AF1, and it would also make a great gift for an ex, as they were probably a snake. So next up is the Upside Down collaboration between Stranger Things and Nike, although I'll probably be wearing them the right way up. They come in a Cortez, a Blazer and a Tailwind. I of course went for the Cortez because I like them. They come in a very nice box, let me show you. Little Nike Stranger Things there. Then we also have this Starcourt Mall tapestry paper, and of course they put that in because in the 1980s you had to go to a mall to buy sneakers, so it made sense. Let's open this up. So the main really cool feature of this shoe is this top layer here can be burnt off to reveal the upside down colourway underneath. Now, I probably will be leaving them white because the upside down, you know, it just freaks me out. You won't catch me watching that on my own, Stranger Things. Also, again, Nike were kind enough to throw in a gift. Here we have some little pins. See, it's still DS, so I ain't taking this off yet. Some little pins there with Stranger Things branding, and they're just, oh, really, really nice. Yeah. Overall, I love this shoe and the 80s vibe. And maybe one day I'll experiment with taking the top layer off. Last and not least, because I bought them, the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian. Beautiful. And they brought these out because you can't get many colours in a Jordan 1. Now, the shoes are obsidian because navy doesn't sound cool enough, and university blue because you can't say baby blue anymore. One thing worth noting is the smell. Smell really nice. Brand spanking new leather. Now, I've gone for some university blue laces. You could have gone for obsidian, but I just felt it adds a nice pop of colour to the front of the shoe when you've got this beautiful baby blue. university blue at the back. These were my first Air Jordan 1s, let's be serious, and I cannot wait to wear them out and about. But I did have a problem, you know, I checked everywhere, maybe it's missed. There's no free gift. So Nike, I don't know what you're doing. No free gift. So those are my 3 pickups. Not many, but I should also mention I did get my hands on the Yeezy Glow, but they were just too small for me, as I'm a big Derek, so I had to pass them on to a better place. StockX. Shoes I wanted but failed to possess. Yeezy Static Black, because I love black, you know, innit? Yeezy Wave Runner, and also the Air Jordan 1 LA to Chicago. They're out there somewhere, but at the ridiculous resale price. I'll maybe pay that after the next single comes out. Thanks for watching, and let me know what shoes you picked up this summer. And I'm looking forward to the next few months of pickups, etc. Good day. Hi everyone, I'm DJBigDerek, and today I'd like to talk to you about my sneaker pickups from summer 2019.